What's going on, traders? Johnny here, and today I want to go over Chipotle Mexican Grill and how they went from lows of $50 to highs of $60, all within one candle after hours. So let's go ahead and take a dive into our computer and take a look here. Now guys, I did have an open position of this company. I did buy 2 shares at $53.45. I did not catch this bottom down here at $50 and $51.05, but what I did do is I sold it on this downward trend. I sold it at 57.03, meaning I sold it right here on this white line. I did indicate that, and I bought down in this area. Now, I did buy this company on July 19th. It is now July 24th, and it did consolidate for a couple days in this support range area. Now, it did fall past this support range area on the 1 hour chart, and after hours, at 5 o'clock exactly, it went up from lows of $51 and a nickel to highs of $59.99, which is just incredible. I did notice that this was it went up and then started forming lower lows and lower lows. I was up like 15, almost $20 at the top, and I finally ended up selling right down here because I was seeing that it was testing the moving average. I believe, what was it, on the 30-minute right here? No, was it that one? Or was it the 1 minute? I think it was the 1 minute. It was going to test this moving average right here, and if it stayed to where it tested and everything held, then it would have went a little bit higher than where I sold. So I actually sold right at the area where it showed that that was not going to be the case. It was actually continuing to sell off. But again, if this would have bounced at this point, see how it bounced here at this level? If it would have bounced at that level here on that the 20-day moving average, it would have continued to push higher. It failed, it got rejected, sold off, bounced back up, tested this now instead of as a support level going down, is now testing it as a resistance level and could not hold and started falling down back to that 51 and 51.05 area, and now it's trading in $53. So really cool opportunity here that was made on my part to simply get in and get out. Now, this was a swing trade, and I was wanting it to go up as high as $69, right? But I got up to $60. It literally went nearly half, exactly half, from 50 to 60, and then from 60 to 70. That's a 50% increase from where it was, and then came all the way back down. So I used it as an opportunity to get out of my trade, maybe get a little bit better of an entry moving into either later this evening or tomorrow. But still, entry is not too bad actually, considering I bought at the $53 level. So 53 to 57, $4 per share, 4.5, giving me almost that $9. Now, selling at this white line, easily could have sold a little bit higher, obviously could have, but didn't. And this was just a really good trade. It shows the volume, it shows exactly where it was. Once I started seeing indications that this was pulling back and then made another red candle, that's when I decided to sell, just to do it, just to lock in a few profits, a few dollars here, and continue growing my account. As you can see here, I sold on this ticker right there. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via Discord. There is a free server there available to get in contact with me and talk to other like-minded individuals. It is the third link below. If you want to learn more about investing or how you can start your trading journey, check out our Learn to Earn lesson library. Right now there is 10 videos included into that library with over the plan is to get over 30 plus videos, all helping you better become a better trader over time. So thank you guys. I appreciate your time. And remember, let's end the year on a green note. Thanks, guys.